Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can start your first chat in Google Chat. So if you're first time using this app to create to make a conversation with your friend, or you want to make a Google Chat as your regular or primary chat app, you can install the Google Chat on Play Store. It's free. And after that, you download it and you install. You can open the Google Chat. And to start a new chat, start conversation, it's very easy. You can tap on this message icon and you can try to search the person that you want to chat by email. For example, this one. All the contact is based on email. Or you can synchronize with your phone number. You can synchronize on the settings. And also, mainly how you can chat someone in Google Chat is based on her or his email. So you have to add your friend's Google Mail first to make it easier. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.